inside.
This is Channel 7 News.
This is Lanny York for Channel 7 News. It appears our city is under attack. At 5 this morning, an explosion ripped through Grand Plaza Station. Hundreds of early morning commuters and station staff are reportedly dead, and many more are wounded. Reports that the explosion was a terror attack have been confirmed. Two separate Middle Eastern extremist fundamentalist groups are claiming responsibility. In an emergency meeting this morning, government officials have decided to increase the city's lockdown with a strict curfew and immediate no-go areas. It appears gang warfare is escalating with groups such as the Burners, which reportedly has 200 members and is growing. We have not seen T-Zero, the new multi-million-dollar riot response unit. However, a military insider tells Channel 7 News that T-Zero is ready to hit the streets later today. Each T-Zero enforcer has what amounts to military status with upgraded weapons. That includes the controversial RP-0 pistol. As you may know, T-Zero doesn't have much public support. Most residents think the unit is an expensive PR campaign to boost the mayor's image. We're getting reports that Hope Street Police Station is under attack by armed terrorists. That station is where T-Zero is temporarily based. This is T-Zero's first real test. We'll have more on this and other late-breaking details later. Channel 7, first for news in your city.
Please hold positions until they arrive at your location.
Now that's what I call zero tolerance. Come on!
Listen up. We've got an important guest member in town. Come back to call them. Looks like they want us back.
Mason, let's move!
Cover me! I'm out!
Over here! Hey, over here! Old Mason!
We have a 10.
More in your vicinity.
Cover me! I'm up! Go, go, go!
All units, fire crews have been dispatched to Hope Street.
Shit! It's blocked! Over here! You did great, Mason. I knew you'd be a fine addition to T-Zero. Go in that room and grab a riot shield. Get in there and grab yourself a riot shield. T-Zero is here to clean up this city. That shield is gonna help keep you alive, so remember to damn well use it. You've also got a standard issue stun gun. which you can use to bring some of these bastards in alive and keep some heat off our backs. Dispatch! I need a fireman to meet Officer Mason. He's gonna need some help getting into the main building.
No problem. SC-13, I need assistance for Officer Mason. I need a fireman to meet him at the exterior parking lot.
This is Doug Johnson of MD-13.
Mason, get back
I'm
up
already
top.
there.
There's a
I'll see
fireman
you up
waiting
top.
for you.
You're T0, huh? You as good as they say?
Hey, over here! Hey, I was told to report to an Officer Mason. That you? Great. Come on, there's a door over there. I'll go break it down for you. You watch my back.
Unit 41, we have a 1013 on the corner of Hope Street in Maine.
Dispatch, this is Unit 15.
Hands
I'm
tight.
pinned down on the east side. Wire back up now.
In your face, fucker! What, boy?
Thanks for that. You're T0 then, huh? Cool. Guess that means you can order me around then, huh? That door over there is locked, but I think I can break it down. When you think it's safe, just give me the order and I'll get it open. No problem. Man, this place is dark. You've got a flashlight. Use it. You should be able to isolate the section. I'll use this valve. You get around the other side and see if you can find another. Use that shield of yours to get past the flames. Come in! Valve on this. Keep it. Okay, turning mine. Good work. Bit more practice and I'll recommend you for a job on my crew. Come on. It's done. No problem. Cool. Nice working with you, Mason. I'm heading back to the front. You go on ahead.
Mason, you're required in the locker room.
In your
Estevez has a hostage and is threatening to kill him. I need backup in the cell block.
Unit 32, backup is on its way. Hold tight.
Looks like backup's arrived. Who are you? Oh, you're T0. Am I glad to see you? I'm Jane Delaney. If you need any medical assistance, come and see me or any other paramedic. You look like you could use some help. No problem. Here you go. That's one of the 3 packs used. Be careful out there. You understand? I've got more wounded in here. You get going. I think you're needed in admin. Dispatch, I need more medical personnel in the locker room.
T0, continue to make your way to the cell block. Your quickest route is via the front desk.
Dispatch, I am retreating to the cell block entrance to wait for backup. Better get here quick.
watch your way to the cell block!
Mason, we need the gang leader brought in alive.
We got multiple suspects, including a possible gang leader in a barricaded position. Use your shield as protection. We need the leader brought in alive. So use your shield and get close before stunning him.
I thought I told you to use less than lethal force.
No one's gonna miss you, Mr. T. In your face.
Get over here!
Am I glad to see you? Here's the situation. Estevez is holding my partner hostage. I got another officer trying to reason with him. It doesn't look good. You're better off using your sidearm in a hostage situation. It's more accurate.
You're mine! Bleed, piggy, bleed! You won't fucking take me! I'm getting out of this place. And when I do, we're gonna fuck this city!
Shit! Frank's down too. He's fucking dead. Shoot him now.
He's reloading.
Quick, come here!
Am I glad to see you? Here's the situation. Estevez is holding my partner hostage. I got another officer trying to reason with him. It doesn't look good. You're better off using your sidearm in a hostage situation. It's
I'm
more
gonna
accurate.
slit your fucking throat! Fuck you! I'm gonna cut your fucking head off! You won't fucking take me! I'm getting out of this place. And when I do, we're gonna fuck this city!
Shit! Frank's down too. He's fucking dead. Shoot him now.
He's reloading.
Save me! Keep it up. Come back! Where are you going? If you get too close, he'll panic, and you can pretty much guarantee he'll kill the hostage. I'm here if you run out of ammo.
Remember to keep the weapon loaded at all
Shoot him
times.
down!
I once lost a partner who hadn't reloaded his weapon. These bastards.
Shoot him now!
He's reloading.
What the hell are you doing?
Shoot him down! Listen, I'm gonna tell everyone when to hear it. I've never seen anyone take on a hostage situation like that. Won't forget that in a hurry.
You did good in there, Mason. But why the hell did you kill that gang leader? We need those guys alive so we can get a jump on their plans. Okay, I want a forensic team down here ASAP. And I want you to join me in ops for a debrief. Come on, we haven't got all day.
This is Sally Taylor reporting live outside the Hope Street Police Building. Earlier this morning, this building was attacked by what local eyewitnesses describe as literally hundreds of homicidal maniacs. As you know, today was also the first day of active service for the mayor's new teeth